Hello everyone, it is Toe of the Week and my very first winter design to match this set of nails. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody, great to see you. Great to be back doing another video. This is my Toe of the Week design. It is my first winter design and it matches the nails I did on Monday. My icy stiletto winter looking nails. Love the way they turned out. I hope you guys got a chance to see that. Friday will be my outfit of the day, my first winter look. I will have 3 more looks after. Will be wintry / Christmas looks. Hope you guys will enjoy that. I'm really excited to share that with you guys. I do want to apologize that I missed my live last week. I will be in 100% tomorrow though at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I hope all of you are there and I hope you have a lot of questions for me because my brother Rob might be joining. Excited. So let's get started on this toe design. And even though you guys don't get to see all these toe designs because I'm wearing all closed toe shoe since I live in Minnesota and it's winter here, I still like to share these. So let's get started on it. God bless, take care, and I will see all of you in my next video. Hello everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's toe design. It matches these nails I did on Monday. If you'd like to see how I did this one, please continue watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to Toe of the Week. This set of toes, as always, is matching the nails I did on Monday. I did my first winter / December nails, and I even did a new look with stiletto as the shape. I love the way they turned out, just trying to get used to them. And I always do a toe design to match. I always do it a little bit different because they are toes. But as you see here, for the base, I've got the glitters going. That's what I'm using as my color today. And if the toes look a little drying, of course, I use acetone to clean off my polish, and they get a little drying around the toes. Plus, here in Minnesota, it's very cold and we use the heat and it's very drying to the skin. So before I, show the outtake, I will use some cuticle oil. All right, let me go through what I used here. I've used just glitters as my base, and these are the ones here. This one here I got from CVS. It is a hollow silver micro glitter I got during Halloween time a couple of years ago from CVS. And then I also used this white and this blue, and I got them from Hobby Lobby. They're just sample glitter packs. They're a micro glitter, very beautiful. And that's what I've got going on there. I put them into a cap here and just mixed them with a, base coat. So that's what I did, and it's eating through the cap here. So, but I got that part already done. And then I did dry them off with my Dry Fast top coat, my Seche Vite. Dried them off and got them ready because I'm going to be putting snowflakes on these. Now I've done them opposite, one blue, one silver, just for fun. The rest I did silver. This one is the white glitter, and then silver is how I did it. So I'm going to leave those toes alone, the smaller toes. I may put a few little rhinestones on it, but I will be doing snowflakes on these with white acrylic paint. I get these from Walmart, Apple Barrel. They're 50 cents to $1. And then I will be working with these little crystals here I get from Hobby Lobby. I will be using the dark blue and the clear on the big toes. And I may use some on the small toes. I'm not sure yet. I'll just be using a glue here. I'm just going to use my ASP glue, which is nail glue. I'm just going to use that to glue them on. To do the snowflakes, I'll be working with Robin Moses' brush again called the Wand. There's her name. There's the tip. She recommends that you leave the acrylic paint on them in between designs so that it keeps them nice. So then I will just use a little orange wood stick to pick up the little stones, and I will dry everything off again with the Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat, and I will use some of my cuticle oil here, paparazzi, that I get from CVS. So I am going to get going on the snowflakes, and I will return to show you what I'm doing. All right, I'm back, and I've got one of the toes done with some snowflakes. We're going to do it on this toe here. I will draw in for you. Like I said, pay no attention to the drying around the skin. That's just the acetone. So I'm going to take a little bit of acrylic paint that I put on a little cap here, a little bit of white, dip it in my brush, and I'm using it at full strength. And I have not watered it down, that's what I mean. So I'm just gonna go over here and I'm gonna do a big one over here, a big snowflake. You just start by making an X. A snowflake has 6 sides. So just make an X and then go right through the middle, and there's your 6 sides. And then around it, just have fun and do whatever you wanna do. I'm going to, let's see, I think I'm going to, the other one I did lines, so I think I'm going to do little triangles at the top, like little arrows. Like that. So easy to do. You can do snowflakes however you want. So I'm just going to pull down like that and make like an arrow at the end of each one. Pretty easy to do that. And then I am going to make a small little snowflake over here. Again, just make an X. And then go through the center and pull it like that. That one got a little bit off. But there you go. Then I'm going to keep that one like that. Look, close it in there. And then I'm going to make just some dots around as if it was snowing. So just take your brush and just put little dots in around like that. So that is what I've got there. The 2 toes with the snowflakes on it. And like I said, they're going to be the only ones that have the snowflakes. The rest, I may do some rhinestones, but I am going to put rhinestones through the big toes for sure. So let me get that going and I will return to show you that step. All right, I'm back. And as you see on the blue toe here, I've got the rhinestones, got the blue stones in the snowflake, and then a couple of crystals around. Let me draw in just so you can see that. If you see that, the crystal's going around. Isn't that pretty? So we're going to do that on this. I did decide to leave the other toes alone. So I'm just dipping in a little bit of glue that I put on a cap, and I'm just going to do a dot there and a dot in the smaller one. And then we're going to grab the blue stones and put one there. Whoops. One there. And one on the smaller one. Right there. Then around, I'm just going to get some more glue, and around I'm just going to do some clear ones. Like I did on my nails. Just want some clear ones around the toe. And like I said, I normally would put crystals all around, even on the other toes, but I decided I'm going to leave it alone this time. The glitter can act as its beauty, because I always put so many rhinestones on when I do designs, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to leave it alone this time. So, but there you go. Isn't that pretty? So beautiful. I love it. So I will now top coat over everything, my Seche Vite, and then I will also go over the small toes again. I always do a double coat of top coat, just because the first coat always seeps in. If you notice, I already did a top coat here and it all seeped in. You can't even tell. So I'll do one more coat, and then I will let everything dry up, use my cuticle oil, and I'll be back to show you the end product. All right, everyone, I am done with this toe design. Love the way it turned out. My very first winter/December nails. They matched the nails I did on Monday. Love the way these turned out. They are icy and just cold and beautiful. I love them. I hope you guys do too. Definitely try this one out. It was really simple, just a few snowflakes and glitter and some rhinestones. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Everyone take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video.